he come home yet?
Oh yeah, they did come home after that.
Did his mom? Well, his mom's home, but did he come home?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
And we stayed at like a little like she was crying on the first thing. Because she was like constantly trying to get on the spot.
That happens sometimes when they adjust and it's a whole new thing. Babies used to being inside their mommy all the time. Right?
Yeah, when do I look like inside your dad?
You saw the picture when he said
It looks like nothing.
right? But as they get bigger, it looks just like a person.
Mom, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Well, see, could you do me a favor? Go take a peek on your sister and see what she's doing.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah?
I'll talk to her.
Well, what is she doing?